Hey folks, Sam with KC Lawns here. Today we have ourselves a Kobalt KST 140 XB. This here string is the only string that I use. It's the best in the game. It is still lime green string is what I call it. Go to the description below and get you some off Amazon. I have put a link down there. You got your string, now you need about 10 feet. That's 6 feet because I'm 6 foot tall. And then about another 4 foot right there. And then you cut it. Now that you have the 10 feet of string right here, is you're going to take that one side and send it through. Now, the one thing that you want to make sure when you're doing this, before you put this in, is that these marks line up with these marks. You'll twist it to where, boom. So this is lined up, that's lined up. That way, when you put it through right here, inside, internally, the spool hole is lined up with this hole so that you can send it through and out pops to the other side. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make the trimmer string even. We're just going to lay it down on the ground. Then after you have made it even, you're going to take it and you're going to twist it. Once it's to about right here, you're set. If you thought that this was a useful, helpful video, be sure to like it so other people can find it. And if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment below.